What is up, guys? Welcome to a new POV drive. Today you join me inside the BMW M135i, so the new shape M135i. So we'll just go for a quick drive around the city and have a feel of what the car is like. So I have to make a quick U-turn around here. So we're in the city center today, which is interesting. Not really the best place to do a car video, a car review like this, but this is all we have to work with. But yeah, I really do hope you guys enjoy this POV video. As you all know by now, POVs are more about the experience of like being behind the wheel of the car, so it's less like a review where I'll be talking a lot and all. But yeah, let's get right into it. Try sport mode. Engage manual. Constantly having to check the phone to see if the framing is good. It's quite busy out here in the city. We're in Joburg, by the way, so Bromfontein to be more specific. It's not a problem, by the way, if your phone rings. It happens. Yeah. Okay, just gonna try and go towards the Rosebank area. Not really get there, but that sort of section before Rosebank, because that's a bit more flexible to drive in compared to here. It's a very nice Audi S3. Not sure if you guys can see it, but black on black, RS grille. Very interesting. Join it around Oxford and then we'll come back this way. Okay, looks good. 45, condition 1. Turn just up ahead then. Sorry, I completely missed that. From here and then you'll go back because I stay just here. So guys, I think I'll just end the video right here. Really hoping you guys enjoyed the POV, and oh, by the way, do check out the owner on Instagram because he does post some cool pictures of this car and all. So and also to say thank you for lending us the car to do a video. But yeah, until next time, that's cheers from me.